In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Notion to prepare for internship application season. We'll set up a clean, dependable system in Notion so you can track every application, follow up on time, and keep all details in one place. Start by heading to notion.com in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the Login button at the top right and click it. On the login screen, choose the Google option. This signs you in quickly without creating a new password. When your Google account chooser appears, select the account you want to use for Notion. If you use multiple accounts, pick the one you'll keep for your career documents so everything stays organized in the same workspace. After you're signed in, open the Templates section in Notion. This is where Notion's pre-built systems live. In the Template Marketplace search bar, type Internship Application. You're looking for the Internship Application Tracker template. It's a ready-made setup designed for keeping tabs on companies, roles, stages, and deadlines, and you can tweak it to match how you work. Click the template, then click Add. Notion will duplicate it into your workspace. If prompted, select the right workspace or page where you want this to live, ideally somewhere you check daily. While the template is being added, give it a moment to finish. Once it's ready, click See Template to open your fresh copy. Inside, start with the application status board. This is a Kanban-style view that groups your applications by stage, things like to apply, applied, interviewing, offer, or rejected. Drag cards between columns as your status changes. This visual flow keeps you honest about follow-ups and helps you spot bottlenecks like too many items lingering in to apply. Next, open All Applications. This table view shows every entry in one place with columns for company, role, link, contacts, notes, and status. You can sort by company, filter by current stage, or group by priority. If you want richer data, consider editing properties. Add fields for referral source, salary range, location, or last touch date. Keep links to job postings and resumes here so you're never hunting for files. Finally, open Deadlines Calendar. This view maps due dates, assessments, and interviews on a monthly calendar. Add a due date to each application and set reminders so Notion pings you ahead of time. Color code by status or company to spot what's urgent at a glance. That's it. Your internship application tracker is in place. Keep it updated daily, move items across the board as they progress, and let the calendar drive your weekly planning. With this setup, you'll apply confidently, follow up on time, and stay ready for every next step.